shot, you can actually see
dude, that is insane. You see the whole thing.
It looks fake.
Dude, we're supposed to do this road trip.
Yo, this is getting intense. We're driving through the middle of the rainbow now. This scene looks like
I don't think I've ever seen a perfect view, bro.
No, that's what I mean. It's full rainbow. You never see them.
It looks like some out of a movie. Yo, somehow, I don't know how, but we've been put back on track with the rainbows, and literally we are driving right through them this time. If you see a little green Irishman in the road, don't hit him.
Don't hit him. Take his pot of gold off.
Wait a minute, where is Patrick? I took Patrick out of the car. Yeah. The mascot from the last Irish road trip. Yeah, we got 2 rainbows. That only means one thing. Lucky Irish.
Look at the Irish.
Boys, we're gonna drop it.
I'm dropping 10 to 20 pounds on Lucky Irish. We're gonna win.
We're gonna drop 50 pounds. No, I'm gonna drop 500 out of the bandits. I'm taking jackpot.
Shit.
I seen the double rainbow. I'm taking jackpot without doubt.
I actually seen you win. Petrol station.
That's not. It's just a normal petrol station.
Full services on it.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we need a proper service station. Yeah. Let's just hold it out until we get to a proper one.
Some big money today. Oh. Whoa, you already won something. Oh, my boy's already at 5 pounds. Wait, what is it? Wait, no, go in there. I need to win too. Is that good? Oh, diamonds. Oh, you won though. You won again. Dude, it's the freaking double rainbow, man. It's the double rainbow. Let's go. Okay, boys. Big dollars here. Come on.
Oh, he's always got some good, he's won some good money. He's in like...
He ain't stopping. Oh, that's... Oh, you might have to stop there and go another one. You just won, right?
I don't know.
I lost, man. I lost 10.
That's why I said put 20 in.
You think I should go all the way? You're right. I picked this one. I have to do it.
Alright, come on, 20. No one's winning big.
I lost it all. I
lost it all.
I started with 7. I got up to 20, and I lost it all.
Come on.
Thanks, Josh.
12. What?
We saw a double rainbow outside.
Bro, we all lost. All lost.
It doesn't make sense.
It's just, we're not lucky. Double rainbow.
Nah, someone, yo.
It isn't your dad's ferry.
Yo, boys, we are finally boarding the ferry. This thing is massive.
Whoa!
Look how clean it is compared to the one for Ireland.
Yo, it starts here, following the Scooby-Doo van. Where we are going up.
Oh yes.
This is big.
This is smart, this one.
Pour toute autre demande, composez le 3.
Might be selling you that short. This is...
Pour effectuer une réservation, composez le 1. Pour effectuer une modification ou une annulation, composez le 2. Pour toute autre demande, composez le 3.
So we've just made it in France at our hotel. It's 3 AM. You know how we're doing it. We don't stop. We're gonna get sleep for about 4. We're gonna be up at 8. We're gonna be driving from 9 after we've had breakfast. And we're doing it again. We're going through Belgium tomorrow. Hopefully we'll make it halfway through Germany. And then the next day, rest of Germany, Austria, and then into Romania. There we go. Oh, you've got hot water down there. We can have pot noodles.
And I might have to get it.
Whoa, French sweets.
Oh, you do hot drinks.
You sell Kit Kats, Kinder Buenos. It's just like the UK.
So many of
Oh,
them.
the list are as small as the ones in the UK. It's time to cram in, boys.
Right, let's do it, boys. For the views.
Which floor?
2.
Got it.
Right, man.
Yep.
Yo, are you guys tired yet?
No.
Me either. Why?
Why are we even getting a hotel if I'm tired?
Fuck it.
Oh, we want to see the scenery tomorrow.
Well, to be fair, think about it. If we didn't get this hotel, we would have been dead zombies.
Exactly.
The whole other day, and like it's not worth it. For only what? 15 pounds or something
15
each?
pounds each.
It's worth the sleep, I think, for the price.
I'm trying to wake everyone.
Lingerie.
Hey, lingerie. What are you lingerie?
I need it.
That's it. Everyone's really coming in our room tonight now. Everyone knows the pin number.
You ready?
Oh, that's Southcote's French room.
Oh, sweet. You're better than
Oh, I'm having top bunk.
Oh, do you want to show? Can I not?
Yeah, that's not a good joke.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't matter to me.
Okay, this is better than
Screw Travel Lodge. Screw the Travel Lodgers. This is better. Do we even have a boat? Look at our view. Show them the view.
Yo.
We're chilling on the beach right now, boys.
So right now it's the next day. We got up this morning a little bit late and I didn't have time to do any vlogging. We literally jumped in the car and drove out of France into Belgium. Right now we are driving through the Belgian countryside. We're driving about 2 hours now, and one thing I found really strange, they all drive on the wrong side of the road. I mean, what the hell is with that? And everyone seems to be driving like maniacs. I mean, I thought that the UK, we drove like maniacs, but the guys on these roads are swerving in and out constantly. Like when you change lane, you normally stay in that lane. They're changing lanes every like second. So I'm gonna have to get used to that a little bit. But right now we are traveling for 10 hours straight. Well, actually it's gonna be close to 12. But right now we've got 10 hours left. And that's gonna take us to Austria. And then after that, we have another 10 hours to travel to Romania. And then we've probably got another 2 days worth of non-stop traveling throughout Romania. Obviously we're going to stop in at abandoned buildings, but there's going to be so much traveling on this trip. I think I'm going to sit driving out for about a month after this.
Dude, that's so low. That's a death trap.
So right now the situation is we've been driving all day. I'm not even kidding. How long have we been driving for?
Oh no.
Since
All
we
day?
set off about 12 o'clock.
What time is it now?
Almost.
It's 12 o'clock. We've been driving
hours.
for like 12 hours straight, right? A couple of stops, that's it. And it was like, right, you know what? We're going to get towards the Austrian border.
12-1 actually.
What?
13 hours.
Oh yeah, we're an hour ahead. We was going to get to the Austrian border and sleep in a hotel. Can't find one. So now we are driving another nearly 9 hours to Romania straight.
Dude, 12.
What?
I don't know. I thought it was.
No, it's 9 hours. It's like
Oh,
eight.
that's not
No, he's 12 to Romania.
Oh,
middle
dude,
of Romania.
to Transylvania, right?
Yeah, it's 8 hours.
Transylvania.
8 hours and 39 minutes.
Dude.
Transylvania, right?
Yeah, Transylvania.
We're not even going Transylvania. I don't think I'll be able to get there.
No, not this on this, right?
We'll have to wait till next time, Josh.
Oh, to go where?
Brands Castle.
What?
Yeah, we're not gonna make it on this trip.
I gotta get some vampire wine.
So right now we've been through Austria. We are now in Hungary, and the sun is coming up in the distance. We are 400 kilometers from Romania, 4 hours away. We should be there for about 10 AM roughly. Yeah, wait a minute. It's 2 hours in front. So by the time we get there, it's gonna be about midday.
No, it's still only an hour.
I know, but when we get to Romania, we'll be 2 hours in front.
Yeah, when we get there, yeah, we will be, yeah.
So it'll probably be about midday.
20 to 12.
20 to 12.
Yeah.
So I've literally spent the full day in Romania. I haven't even picked up the camera yet. We have been so tired after driving like 27 hours straight, like for 10-minute stops here and there. It was just so, I mean, you can tell in my voice, I feel physically ill. So I suggest never ever doing that. But spent the full day here, didn't want to pick up the camera, wanted to chill out, relax, get to know our surroundings before I picked up the camera. And I just want to say, food and drink here is so cheap. We have a pizzeria downstairs. Our hotel is so nice. It literally cost us 56 euros when we booked it when we was like in Germany or somewhere. I don't even know where it was. And it's so nice. Like, we've got 5 beds. It's like a penthouse. I'll show you around after. Been to the supermarket, and for a bottle of water, like this bottle of water, we're talking like 40 pence for a bottle of water. Like a smoothie drink I'm gonna have in the morning, £1.50. Bottles of glass bottles of Coke. Now me and Bucky got 6 each. Like for 6 glass bottles, it was like £2. Absolutely unreal. I picked this up because I thought I'd never seen it before. Pepsi Cola. Now I remember in the 40s this was a thing, Pepsi Cola, that's what it was called. But it turns out this is a 1940s limited edition can. It's just Pepsi, but it is Romanian, and that was like 40 pence as well. These really nice looking fruit juice drinks, these were like 60p, 50-60p each. So things here are really cheap. Our pizza downstairs, I had a pizza, I mean not even like a crappy pizza, this was a proper like Italian style pizza with a beer, £5. You can't complain. So tomorrow the adventure really does start. We're gonna set off to an abandoned village resort. Now this place is set to be abandoned for a long time. It was apparently where Hercules set down for the first time on planet Earth, so they actually named it after him. Holy shit, what was that?
Someone just dropped like a whole floor.
It sounded like a bomb went off.
Jesus Christ. It's like someone dropped a whole...
No bombs have gone off outside. Oh wait, you can get a better look at that.
You know what I always wondered? If like in the movies, if you jumped onto one of these things, if you would survive. You just look like you jumped down there like in the ladder.
Come on, Claudia, I'll film. So we think this is some kind of plane hangar, and we're going to go and check it out in the morning, but we think it's abandoned.
That's weird.
So this is where Hercules set down on planet Earth for the first time, and they named it after him, and there's a massive statue there too. I can hear that banging again. But it was like, this was crashed.
Oh, it's them downstairs.
Doing what? What, is there people living down there?
No, it's people renting down.
Oh, they couldn't afford to sustain the place, so it all became abandoned, and now it's kind of like a tourism place for abandoned. Like, people go to see all these buildings that are not used, but obviously we're going to take a deeper look into these buildings and we're going to go inside. Where we're staying tonight, this is I mean, this is so clean, this is really nice, and this was, like I said, worked out like £40, £45, and we got aircon as well.